In this video, we'll provide an overview of Kaltura Video Quizzes. Then, we'll take a look at an example of a Kaltura video quiz. To start, a video quiz is media, for example, a video or audio file, that has questions embedded into it. The questions can be set to appear at any time in the media, and the questions can be a variety of types. And they can assess the student's engagement in the task, as well as their understanding of the media's content. Now, we'll take a look at an example. Kaltura video quizzes all begin with this frame that lets the viewer know that they're playing a video quiz rather than typical media. This is a National Geographic video about tornadoes taken from YouTube. On the timeline, you'll see a few markers. These markers represent questions, so that when the video comes to each marker, a question will appear. Let's watch.
Tornadoes are powerful, spinning columns of air that stretch from the ground to the clouds. Most are relatively weak, but the few that grow into large events are extremely violent and cause immense destruction.
The first type of question that appears is true-false. The student can read the question, then answer accordingly.
Tornadoes occur on 6 of the 7 continents. The country with the most tornadoes based on land size is the United Kingdom, with an average of about 33 tornadoes reported each year.
Next, we have a multiple choice question.
But the country with the greatest overall number of tornadoes and the most intense is the United States, with over 1,000 reported annually.
And then, here's a reflection question, which asks the students to consider the question as the media moves forward. The students don't enter a response.
Tornadoes, no matter where they occur, are classified as either supercell tornadoes, which form within supercells, the most powerful class of thunderstorms, or non-supercell tornadoes, which are smaller and weaker and form within non-supercell storms.
Finally, there's a short answer question in which students can type any response in the answer box. And after completing the final question, students can review the answers and then submit.